This question asks us to write the electron configurations for the following ions and determine which have noble gas configurations. So the first one is cobalt 2+. Cobalt is right here, number 27 on the periodic table. So in its ground state, or in its non-ionic form, cobalt would have electron configuration of argon, 4s2, 3d7. And so if this is cobalt 2+, we're going to remove 2 electrons. We'll remove those from the 4s orbital because it's higher in energy than the 3d. So if we take 2 away from the 4s, we're just left with the 7d electrons. So electron configuration is argon, 3d7. Okay, next is tin 2+. Tin is right here. Normally has, it does have an atomic